What's happening, guys? You know what? Every day, some people need motivation. Whether that's to get out of bed in the morning, to go find that thing that they want to get, to reach their goals that for that day, for the month, for the year, for the next 5 years. You got to go and achieve it. You have to want to earn those goals. You have the potential to do it, so why aren't you doing it? Why aren't you going out and making it happen? I put a post up on Instagram a couple days ago. I don't know when this video is gonna be released, but I put out a post, and it was an inspirational quote that I put into the captions. I can't remember it off by heart, but it went something like this: there's only 2 days that we don't have control of, yesterday and tomorrow. That means we are in charge of today. We're in charge of right now. So if you're not going out and doing something right now, today, to reach your goals, you need to find that motivation inside of you, in your heart, in your mind, to get off your ass and get your butt into gear. And the first time I read that quote, it really hit home for me, because it's almost like we definitely should not take life for granted. You don't know if you're going to wake up tomorrow, so why not live every day to the full potential? And the real question is that, are you man enough or woman enough, whatever, to get up and chase your dreams? Find your aspiration in life and go and do it. Be the person that you want to be growing up, whatever that is. An actor, a stunt rider, a motorcycle stunt rider, or a moto vlogger even, or something that you look up to. If you want to be a bike mechanic, or an astronaut, or a teacher at a school or something, you can do it. I believe in you, and everybody else does. It might not feel like people do, but people do. Your parents do, your grandparents do, your brother or sister do, your friends do. I do. Even if I don't personally know you, I want you to succeed, because life isn't going to wait for you to get off your butt and start doing work. You're going to have to start doing it yourself.